We are facing a lot of difficult conversations right now about politics, about race, about events that are happening in the world. And that's why I'm so glad I've got Kwame Christian here with me. He's a fellow LinkedIn Learning instructor and director of the American Negotiation Institute. Kwame, you take such a difficult topic and you make it so approachable. What is one thing that we could do to do a better job with these difficult conversations?
All right, Dave, I have something very simple but very powerful, and it's called the compassionate curiosity framework.
I
And
love it.
it's 3 steps. So the first step is to acknowledge and validate emotions, saying things like it sounds like or it seems like. And then we are going to get curious with compassion. And then the last step is engage in joint problem solving.
And what am I getting curious about? What does that mean to be compassionate and curious at the same time?
So what we're doing is we are trying to learn more about the other side, but doing it with a compassionate tone so they don't
Mm,
get pushed away. And so what we're trying to do is just empathize, understand how they see, think, and feel about the situation.
yeah, and I think that empathy is something that we're missing so much of right now, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Well, thank you for sharing that beautiful tip. And you've got an amazing course. We're going to link to that in the comments below, and also link to your profile. Everyone, follow Kwame. He has amazing stuff. Thank you so much for sharing a moment with us.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.